There, hey, look, Catfish Terry, Carver family.
Yeehaw.
Becky, me.
Yeah. Shorty.
We've been friends with Catfish Terry for going 3 years now. We finally got to meet up.
Awesome people, y'all.
And
Make sure you join their sites.
this is long overdue.
Way overdue.
Way overdue.
And many more to come. So we'll show you around here in the next clips. But had to show you Catfish Terry.
Yep.
And Carver
Make sure
family.
you hit those buttons, y'all. Great people.
Check both of their channels out. Both of them's great.
I have to put the links in.
He's going down to catch some fish bait. So have a great night, everybody. We're going to show you around in the next few clips. Later.
Later. We're going to talk about
I don't know. What are we talking about?
the beautiful campsite.
Hey, what's the name of this place we're at?
Cedar Creek Campground.
Cedar Creek Campground in Tennessee.
It's near Mount Joliet.
We're going down to the lake. We're going to show you some beautiful sunset.
And sights.
Kind of shaky because we're on this phone. We didn't. The good stuff's up at the tent. Can't say Class T RV no more.
It
We
didn't
ain't
work.
in that. We're in a tent.
It didn't work. It's too uncomfortable.
Yeah.
All right.
Yep. That didn't work out too well. Two doors aren't the way to yeah. Two doors are not made to camp in.
Well, for two people.
You can do it,
anyways.
but it's not comfy getting in and out. Oh, but look behind us. Look at these sights. This is a beautiful campground. We didn't get any video footage of the last one because we were too busy visiting with Camping Therapy, Fordman, a.k.a. Kenneth Oak, Spaceman Dudley,
And Pawpaw.
and Pawpaw.
Spaceman Dudley's wife, Becky.
Yeah, we spent a lot of time with them. But been a good trip. Didn't video anything at Mom's other than Helen, Georgia when we went there.
Yeah. We gotta go back to Helen, Georgia, though.
All right, when we get down to this campsite and see the sunset, we'll
Watch the buggy.
see you then. There's a bug. I tried to catch that bug, but I didn't catch it. Look at that view, folks. Look at that. And hopefully this phone
Shows it
is
justice.
doing it all right. Yeah, shows it justice right there.
Yep. Look at the water bugs jumping. They're like all over here. And the campground's behind us.
Very beautiful.
There are some sites on pretty much
And Catfish Terry's down there fishing right now.
somewhere. Yep. Yep, the campsites are pretty much on the water too. There's a little grass in between you and the water.
$15 a night with the America the Beautiful Pass. Water and electric on the site.
Yep.
But very, very beautiful. So what do you think?
I like it here.
Me too.
Go around this mud.
And there's a river channel that runs almost on the other side. You'll see barges out there.
And
We seen one big barge,
Yeah, and the other one he said was a houseboat.
and then we seen a houseboat.
A big houseboat. And it was off straight ahead.
That way.
Yep, that way. It was big. And they get, but what was the biggest walleye caught here?
25 pounds.
Yeah, that's a
in
big
the
fish.
1960. 25-pound walleye. And Andrew Jackson's house is
That way.
somewhere that way. But there appears to be a horseshoe pit. And then more of the campground. It's getting pretty dark here if you can't tell.
Nice to sun,
Dumpsters. And another bathhouse. Yep.
It's a smaller one. The one by us is has all showers.
Yeah, we have the shower house by us.
Shower and bathroom.
Yes. Oh, wow. It looks like an Airstream convention over here.
It does, don't it?
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's too grainy. But they get the idea. It's a deer.
She's running.
And we didn't bring the Google phone with us.
No,
Or the GoPro. But deer right through the campground.
She's running.
Somebody was nice enough to leave us some firewood, so we're burning it. Can you see Becky? There's Becky. Join a fire here in Tennessee.
Cedar Creek Campground.
Cedar Creek Campground.
By Mount Joliet.
Out there's the lake, but you can't see it right now. It's too dark. But there's a fire. We're enjoying ourselves. I hope you guys are too. Look, Becky's having a breakfast of champions. What are you eating?
Pop-Tart.
Pop-Tart? And coffee.
Yep, or you won't make it through the day.
Is that right?
That's right.
Almost time to break camp down. Hey, look, Becky's tearing camp down. This is our campsite. Cedar Creek Campground. $15 a night with America the Beautiful Pass. And yes, we have electric. Look what my mom gave us. 2 of these. New Wave. Hot plate. And ooh, we're boiling. Hey, we're boiling. It works really good with them camp kettles. But we broke the good camera out. That phone we were using looked like I had Parkinson's disease or something with it, and I wasn't even shaking. There's the bathhouse. Plenty of showers. Lake's right behind it. But we'll walk you around with this camera and show you. The dumpsters here. Right over here is the dump station. And very nice sights. You get a light pole. And you get a fire ring. And a picnic table. Very quiet here. Very quiet. Oh, this lake just keeps going.
Yep.
Down here is a crane.
I was hoping the houseboat would come back.
Me too.
That was cool. Or even the barge.
I wish the GoPro had a zoom.
I know. Hey, Mr. Crane.
What's up, crane? You have a beautiful home here.
He's eyeballing us.
Yeah, he is.
He comes at me, I'm tripping you first. And I'm running.
There he goes.
There he goes. Too bad you couldn't have caught the squirrel falling out of the tree.
Yeah, we had a squirrel fall out of our tree in the campsite, but he's okay. He took off. Ran up another tree.
He broke the branch. Here's a little plump. Probably from storing all the acorns up.
Oh, let's walk out on the pier.
This is also part of Cedar Creek.
Cedar Creek Campground.
No, this is their marina.
Oh yeah, it's Cedar Creek Recreation Area, ain't it?
Yeah. This is their little day use. Okay.
Oh boy.
Yeah, I'm done. Oh, you went over there. No, that's a different one.
Yeah, it's a different crane.
Dark color.
This is a beautiful lake.
Yeah, I'm done. I'm good. Right here.
Yeah, Becky's not coming out because this pier is moving. Come out here, dear. Huh? Are you sure?
What?
You sure? Whee! I can doggy paddle. This is a big lake. I think it's the 3rd largest in Tennessee. Yeah, I forgot what state we were in. There's a private marina, and where we just panned from, somewhere up that way is another marina.
Hey, baby. You probably can't see it on camera, but over there's a small houseboat.
Yeah, way out there is a houseboat. But right about where that houseboat is, along that tree line right here, that's the river channel. I forgot the name of the river.
I don't remember.
But the big barges, they run that river channel. One went by last night, but
all I got was a very blurry picture.
we caught it on the phone, but
If I'd had my camera, I would have caught it. I didn't even pack it.
that phone we're using, I didn't bring the Google Pixel phone for video, but I used that LTE phone and it shakes too bad. Beautiful lake. Now we're going to walk down that direction and probably show you the best campsite if nobody's on it. What are you hanging on to? Look at her.
I like the way it feels.
Huh?
No.
Very nice pier though.
Much better right here.
Much better right here. Solid ground. Alright, let's head up that way. The famous dump station. Wouldn't be a video if we didn't talk about poo now. There's the dump station. There's another site right there. These are the sites you want. One by the water. They're very beautiful.
There's a crane there.
A duck?
Yep.
Does it walk like a duck?
No, I'm not walking like a
Does it
duck.
quack like a duck?
Yes.
Then it must be a duck.
Yeah.
All the sites here are pretty good, but this one
This is Roy's favorite.
is probably the best. Look at this site. You have electric,
Water.
you have water, no dump of course, but nice level gravel padded site. Well, ours is gravel too, and level,
And level.
but their picnic tables can eventually need replacing, but they're getting on it. I mean, they have this, the campsites here by the water have all been improved upon. So,
Oh yeah, with the new concrete poured around it.
yep, all new concrete. But look at that view. This is your view from the site. Hi there. But
And a bat house.
bat house. And you get to watch the barges go by on the river channel. Watch the bats flying in and out of the house. That's a bat house, we believe. And up there's another bathhouse, or at least restrooms. And right over there is a dumpster. So this has definitely got to be the best campsite.